Hello, this is nice exponential math problem 9 to the power x minus x to the power 4 is equal 65, where x belongs to natural number and we have to find the value of x. So let's start. Solution. The given equation is 9 to the power x minus x to the power 4 is equal 65. We can write this 9 to the power x as 3 square whole power x, and we can write this x to the power 4 as x square whole square is equal 65. We know a to the power m whole power n is equal a to the power n whole power m. According to this exponential formula, we can write this 3 to the power 2 whole power x as 3 to the power x whole square minus this x square whole square is equal 65. We know another formula, which is a square minus b square is equal a plus b times a minus b. Here a plus b greater than a minus b. According to this formula, we can write this line as 3 to the power x plus x square times 3 to the power x minus x square is equal. We can write this 65 as 65 times 1 and 13 times 5. At first, for this case, we can write 3 to the power x plus this x square is equal this 65, and this 3 to the power x minus this x square is equal this 1. By adding these two equations, we get here plus x square minus x square cancel out. Here 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal 2 times 3 to the power x is equal 65 plus 1 is 66. Divided both sides by 2, we get here these two cancel out. Here 3 to the power x is equal 66 over 2 is equal 33. Now we will check. When x is equal to 1, then 3 to the power x become 3 to the power 1 is equal 3, who is not equal to this 33. When x is equal to 2, then 3 square is equal 9, who is not equal to this 33. When x is equal to 3, then 3 to the power 3 is equal 27, who is not equal to this 33. When x is equal 4, then 3 to the power 4 is equal 81, who is not equal to 33. So there is no natural solution. For this reason, these values are rejected. Again, we can write here this 3 to the power x plus this x square is equal 13. and this 3 to the power x minus this x square is equal this 5. For this case we selected these two equations. Now adding these two equations we get this plus x square cancel by this minus x square. Here 3 to the power x is equal 2 times 3 to the power x is equal 13 plus 5 is equal 18. Now divided both sides by 2 we get here this 2 cancel out. Here 3 to the power x is equal 18 over 2 is 9. Here 3 to the power x is equal, we can write this 9 as 3 square. Both sides base are same, so we can write here both sides power are also same. So we can compare both sides power. Here left side is power x and right side is power 2. So x is equal 2. This is our solution. Now we will verify for checking this value x is equal to 2 is correct or not. So verify. The main equation is 9 to the power x minus x to the power 4 is equal 65. Here x is equal to this 2. So you can write here 9 to the power x is equal to 2. So you can write here 2 minus x is equal to 2. So you can write here 2 to the power this 4 is equal 65. Here 9 square is equal 81 minus 2 to the power 4 is 16 is equal 65. Here question mark. 81 minus 16 is 65 is equal 65. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. So our value x is equal to this is our final answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.